Let me introduce you Journalist AI. Now what it does is it has a bunch of options. One, you can write SEO article, you just manually input the keyword, and you can also input the title. It's up to you, optional, and then click on add keywords, and it will prompt you to generate article, and it does the job for you in less than a minute. And then you have AI news article. Now if you're news blogger, then this is one of the great feature. You can simply enter the query, which in this case might be location, okay, Texas, and hit search stories, and it is going to search stories, trending stories, and suggest you based on this keyword. Okay, you can give the keyword can be anything. Now you can write broad topics for diverse results and write specific topics. Okay, now you can see it is suggesting me to write bunch of stories. Right here I can simply click on add and add articles, and it's gonna be generated. And there's also another feature which is an Amazon single product review. Many people do Amazon affiliate marketing, so you can simply enter the URL and click on add product. The entire blog will be generated, and then you can also convert a YouTube video to blog post. So more about that in my channel, in the playlist how to increase your website traffic. You can see you find a bunch of videos. So this tool has great options, and by far the great SEO writing tool I have used. And then if I click on SEO articles and then give my title, how to create a high CTR thumbnails, okay, and then I'm gonna give the same keyword as the keyword is going to be create high CTR thumbnails, and then click on add keyword. Now it will take me to another page which will prompt me to generate article, or if you want to make configuration. Now if I want to make configurations, you can see you can integrate to one of your website and enable AutoBlogging. Okay, many people they don't want to go to the WordPress, log in and edit the images, every single thing on page SEO. Like nowadays AI does the job for you, okay, especially Journalist AI. You can simply click on swipe this AutoBlog, and then you make some integrations. It offers integrations with Shopify, Blogger, WordPress, every single CMS, okay, even the custom API, okay, and then there is also social media. Now let me come back, and here my keyword is create a high CTR thumbnail, so I'm going to click on generate article. Alright, right now it has generated article under a minute. Now I can simply click on the title article, and it is going to open up a full editor. Now here there are two things you can do. One, you can directly integrate to your site, to whichever CMS you are using, and directly post to your CMS website, right? It has generated every single thing, even the images, headings, and then FAQs you can see at the end, right? Even the featured image. Now the second thing what you can do is you can manually copy paste right here, and then post it inside the WordPress or whatever CMS you're using. And there's also another feature. If I go here and click on edit with AI, we can see right here a new SEO editor is open right here. Now what this means is there are a lot of features inside this which I want to show you. One of the best thing which I want to show you is if I select any paragraph which I don't want, let's say I want to customize this paragraph. When I select this, there's going to three options pops up. One is a rewrite, and if I click on rewrite, you can give a prompt to expand the paragraph, or you can simplify, you can rewrite, you can make longer, make shorter, make a list, make a table. So let me just click on make shorter and see how it does. Alright, now it is prompting me to discard or accept, so I'm just gonna go here and click on accept. And then if I go to the second option, which is add keywords, you can manually enter the keywords which you want at the beginning of the article, right, to SEO optimize. And then the third option is add external link. If there is any possibility of adding external link, it does the job for you. Otherwise it says it returns empty. That's a great feature. So right now there's a possibility we can add external links, so I'm just gonna select this, and that's it. Manually, automatically the external links are present here, and then I can simply copy and take it to the WordPress and publish to Google. There will be a link in the description to use this journalist AI tool for free. Like this video and catch you on the next one.